All right, guys. So I wanted to give you some direction on this scavenger hunt, scientific notation scavenger hunt activity. So what you will do is you see on the left hand side over here, I've given you questions with links, so you shouldn't have to go searching on your own. All you do is just click the link. So if I'm looking at the elevation of Mount Everest, I click the link and it takes me to a certain location. Okay, now you may have to do a little hunting, you may have to do a little research, but it really shouldn't take you a whole lot of time to look, to read. As a matter of fact, if I wanted to know the elevation for Mount Everest, voila, here it is, 29,031.7 feet. So I would maybe, if I wanted to copy and paste that number and paste it, this first one wants the regular number, so I can paste it in here. So I've got that. Now, the next one right here, it wants us to put it into scientific notation. Now, we should know that it needs to be a number that is between 1 and less than 10. So my decimal would go technically between the 2 and the 9 if it was going to fit that bill. So I would say 2.9.90 317 times, and remember we multiply by 10 to the, anytime we've got a little um, shift 6 upside down V, shift 6 is what it was. That tells us raised to a certain power. So I want to know how many times I move the decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So it's to the fourth power. That's what your answer should look like. So you would go through the rest of them. I've technically already done one for you. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to do. Okay. Shouldn't be that difficult. Shouldn't be that hard. You may have to look and hunt around for a second, but they're numbers, so you don't have to look too hard. Like for example, in this one, the ocean. Um, yeah, it's pretty simple. So make sure you convert those numbers into scientific notation, and it tells you how you want it. They want it, or I want it, in cubic kilometers. So um, keep working, keep going. Remember, standard notation is regular number, scientific notation, a decimal between 1 and 10.